Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit USDT in Quotex. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Quotex mobile application, and after that you need to tap on the deposit button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now over here you are going to see various pairs of USDT like on TRC20, on ERC20 and on BEP20. So you just have to select any of the pairs. For this video, I'm going to select it as USDT on BEP20. Afterwards, you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer in your Quotex account. Then if you have any promo code, then you can add that promo code in this section. Afterwards, you just have to scroll down, and here you are going to see a bunch of different bonuses as well. So you just have to select any of the bonuses, and then you need to tap on the deposit button in the bottom. After that, it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to tap on copy address in order to copy it, and then you just have to open any of the centralized exchanges or any of the wallets from which you are going to deposit USDT. Let's say I want to do it on Trust Wallet, so I have launched my Trust Wallet. Now I have to find USDT. For that, you need to tap on this circle icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you need to type USDT in the top. As we have selected BEP20, so you will have to select the toggle button of BNB Smart Chain USDT. Then you need to tap on USDT, and after that you can start the depositing process. But before that, you need to make sure that you have enough BNB in your account in order to process the transaction. If you don't have BNB, then you can tap on the BNB option, and after clicking on buy, you can purchase some BNB. Now once you have it, you will have to tap on the send button, and here you will have to enter the address that we have just copied from Quotex. After that, you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer, and then you need to press next. On the next page, you will have to review all the information that you have mentioned previously, and if everything looks correct, you just have to confirm your deposit, and this way you will be able to easily deposit your USDT in Quotex. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.